Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add widgets to your home screen on the Redmi 14C. So if you'd like to add home screen widgets, or if you want to add widgets to your home screen, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is unlock your phone and get to the home screen. And then on the home screen, press and hold an empty space until you see these options appear. And then from the options that appear, select the widget option. So tap on it. And now you should see a list of all the available widgets on your device. So you can scroll down and find the widget that you'd like to use. So scroll down and find the widget that you'd like to use. Let's say if you want a weather widget. So tap on the weather widget, or you can simply tap and drag it to another place that you'd like in case you don't have enough space on your home screen. So once you drag it, you can release it, and there you go. You will see your weather widget has been added to the home screen. You can repeat the same for any other widget that you'd like. So let's say if you want the themes widget or category, whichever you want. So scroll through and find the one that you'd like, and then tap on it or press and hold, and then drag it to a position that you'd like to use. And there you go. You can see the widget has been added. Now, once you have added your widgets, all you have to do is tap on done at the top right corner, and that will save the changes. Now, for some widgets, you have to tap them so that you can set them up. So as you can see, this is the weather widget. So I have to tap on it so that I can get the weather information. So tap on the widget, and then you can use your current location. Or you can just put any other city that you'd like, or any other location that you'd like. So type in the location that you'd like and tap on it, and then allow any permissions that might be there. And there you go. You have successfully set up that particular widget. Now, once you're done, simply exit, and now you can see your weather widgets appearing on the home screen on your Redmi 14C. So that's basically it on how to add widgets to the home screen on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.